Here. Fifth class na madam. I will నేను కాల్ చేస్తానండి ఒక 15 ఐ మీన్ క్లాస్ so this is the material I am going to share with you Andi Satish garu and
yes.
So please try to understand what is SAP. Here all information is there. SAP stands for Systems Application in Products Data Processing. Just it is kind of revision. Here you need to understand CO stands for controlling. CO for controlling is a normal technology of costing. So who invented SAP? Already I told you. In 1972, in Germany, 5 IBM ex-employees invented the software. What is ECC stands for? ERP Central Company. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Already I told you there are other kinds of ERPs. The best DRP is SAP, Oracle, Financial, JD Edwards, Bond, PeopleSoft. But among the SAP is the famous in the world. Already I told you. This material I am going to share with you. Be happy. What is client? For example, normally when a company intends to start SAP in its company, it purchases SAP software from SAP India. Price of SAP software based on the number of users. And once company purchases the software, it retires, engage other company for implementation purpose. Both the purchaser and implementer will delegate, recruit some employees for implementation of SAP. Already yesterday I explained very clearly all these things. Once again I am giving an idea. So Pennar is the company. Whatever the company we are going to install, that is the Pennar. Here FICO, MM, SD, implementation, IT staff, project manager and all will be there. Try to understand. Here I am going to explain you today how to install SAP, how to enter into SAP. I am going to explain. All these things yesterday already we discussed here. That video already shared with you. Here, guys, now I am opening SAP software here. (66 user 72). There are 2 users we are using. 66 user 72. Here, password is, this is the password. The password. Able to see the screen? I hope everybody is seeing the screen. Told you SAP Easy Access. This is the screen where end users will use this screen. Told you who are the end users means once SAP installed Once SAP installed into the company, company employees will use this software. Those people are called end users. So end users are using this. Here I am giving SPRO. Here I am giving SPRO. I told you what is SPRO abbreviation?
Product reference object.
What is the SPRO abbreviation? Abbreviation. See, SPRO abbreviation. SAP product. SAP product. Reference object. In interview, there is a chance to ask what is SPRO. Where we are using SPRO means we need to tell SPRO is the transaction code where we are using in the first step. I mean, here you please see, Andy. This is the SAP Easy Access screen. Here we are giving the transaction code SPRO. Then you will enter into the SAP software. Enter SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. What is the meaning of IMG? IMG means implementation. IMG. Implementation guide. That is IMG. Now we enter into the software. We enter into the configuration part. How we are going to create the company, how we are going to create the business area, functional area and everything. Chalo, let us go with enterprise structure. Try to understand. Step 1. Enterprise structure. Definition. Financial accounting. ఆదిలక్ష్మి గారు ఏదో డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుందండి ఎక్కడో చూడండి మీరు కానీ వేరే
నా దగ్గర కాదు సార్
డిఫైన్ కంపెనీ డిఫైన్ కంపెనీ న్యూ ఎంట్రీస్ I think everybody is understanding we are creating company. You can ask the question, sir, why we are creating company? Already you are working in a company. Why you are creating company means we are in practice session. We are in practice session, educational mode. That means we are taking training. When you are taking training, you need one company. Company is required. That company we are creating. We'll do all the facilities for this company. We'll give branches, will give physical year, everything will give one. So here, what is the company? Company is, you please tell me any company code we can give. It will be mix of alphabets and numbers, numeric. So I can give you that 9393 I am giving. Any number you can give. Company name, Nestle Limited. Street, you can tell IPL, number 45, address and all we had to give only 560075, postal code city Bangalore, country India, language English, currency INR, Indian rupee. I want to tell you one thing here. Please try to understand. In interview, don't take everything easy. See, in interview, there is a chance to ask different kinds of questions. I will tell you. In this company code, they will ask you what is the transaction code. They will ask you the transaction code directly to enter into the company. So here you need to understand what is the transaction code for this. Here you can see the transaction code SPRO. See, they will ask what is the transaction code to create the company. Here the transaction code you can see SPRO. Every time you can see what transaction code we are using. here. Now, how many countries it is supporting? Just you click F4 here, or the beside option is given. You can see how many countries it is supporting. See, there are so many countries SAP is supporting here. You can see the company countries. These many countries it is supporting. You can see here around 100 countries it is supporting here almost, including India, US, Germany, Japan, everything it is supporting. Zimbabwe, everything. And here, how many languages? Multi-language. Multi-language means here this is supporting these many languages. Don't expect Telugu or Kannada here. See, Russian, Korean, all these languages. All these languages. Here, English, Arabic also there, see. English. Currencies also, it is automatically when countries are there, you can guess how many currencies it will accept. These are the currencies it is supporting here. You can understand. So we are going to create one company. The company name, Nestle. Company name, Nestle Private Limited. Nestle Private Limited. Here, save this. Here, some other company name is coming here. You can ask me what is this? When you are trying to save, some pop-up came here. Some pop-up came here. What is this means? This is the transportation. This is the transportation. Suppose you are working under your manager, right? Project manager, project leader will be there. So they will assign one number here. See that number, how to create, I will tell you. Here there is one create button. See this? There is one create button. Create. You can write here Nestle Private Limited. Nestle Private Limited. Try to understand Nestle Private Limited here. Just say, save this. Now see your company name is coming. This whatever this number is there, please say this. This is very important, Andy. After whatever you are doing, you will send with this ID to your higher authority. Means either project leader or project manager. This is the transportation ID DPKK900880. This is the transportation ID. Just save this. Your data is saved. Go back. Go back. Go back. Again, you do one thing. Again, go back. See, this is defined company. Defined company here. But here they will ask you what is the transaction code for defined company. They will ask you what is the transaction code. Means I will give one idea for you. Additional information. Additional information. Display key. IMG activity. Please everybody note down. Additional information. Display key. IMG activity. You click like this. Note down. Additional information, display key, IMG activity. If I click on IMG activity, what will happen? You please try to understand. If I click on IMG activity, what will happen? Why I am doing this is, I will tell you. It is still rotating. means it is under process. Please wait for a minute. Satish garu, arthamaitunda meeku?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Adilakshmi garu,
Yes, sir.
are you able to understand?
Yes, sir. I will understand.
Right. Very slow. Why? Updating display. Issue. No, it is there. It is taking little bit of time. Okay. So why I told this one is for us very useful. Here, one more thing I want to tell you before this. Beside there is one spec symbol type is there. You see here. Specs kind of thing is there. If we click on that, what is company, it will give the definition. No need of searching any notes or anything. Just you click on that specs kind of document. If we click on that, you will see what is company, what and all it will do. Just wait for a minute. Now see here. What is the transaction code to define company? Beside they had given last 4 letters you read. OX15. What is the defined credit control area? What is the transaction code? OB40. What is the business area? What is the transaction code? OX02. This is the purpose. Additional information. Display key, IMG activity. If I click, you will get the transaction codes here. Okay, Nandi? Arthamaindandi? And one more thing here, I want to tell you, if we click here, that spec symbol, what is company? Say this, in this step, you can create companies. A company is an organizational unit. Accounting, which represents business organization according to the represents of the commercial in a particular country. Suppose I am creating one company, whatever I want, I cannot create. According to the Indian government, you need to create the company. Bylaws and all will be there. Simply, you cannot go to the company. So what is the company definition? They are given very clearly. In this step, you can create companies. A company is an organizational unit. Accounting, which represents a business organization according to the requirements of the commercial law in a particular country. Try to understand. Got my point, Andy? And one more point I want to ask you. Morning time, what is your convenient time? Satish garu, morning aithe?
Anytime, sir, no problem.
Anytime, no problem. Adilakshmi garu?
Because morning
Okay,
6 to 10 I will be studying.
6 to 10 free ante meeru?
Yes.
6 to 10 free unnara?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Andy. What about Adilakshmi garu?
okay, sir. 9 to 10 is okay.
9
6
to 10 is
uh,
convenient. 9 to 10 మీకు కన్వీనియంట్ గా ఉంది. ఓకేనా?
లేదంటే ఇంకెనీ టైం
మీకంటే
డేలో.
ఇంకొక అమ్మాయి ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ. మీకు 9 to 10 కన్వీనియంట్ అండి? ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ. హలో అండి, మీరు పేరు నాకు తెలియదు ఆ పాప పేరు.
హలో.
హలో అండి, మీకు 9 to 10 ఓకేనా మీకు రేపు మార్నింగ్?
No, actually, I'm working right now. So, evening 6 to 10 o'clock, it's okay for me.
10 to 11 is okay for you?
No, that time is my working hour.
Oh, sorry. Okay, 9 to 10 is convenient?
Yeah, that to evening.
9 to 10 night is convenient.
No,
Yes,
I'm
sir,
telling
6 to
about
10.
evening times. Evening 6 to 7 or 8.
6 to 7 or 7 to 8 is convenient for you.
Yes, correct.
Morning 9 to 10 is not convenient.
No, it's not a possible.
Morning 8 to 9 also not possible, and
No, sir. Actually, my login time 7 o'clock only.
oh, morning 7 o'clock. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
finite. Okay. So there is one option what we can do. Otherwise, I can change this class to night 8 to 10. 8 to 9 is convenient. All of you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
8 to 9.
Yeah. no
Okay,
problem.
8 to 9. Okay, sir.
Emma, మీకు 8 to 9 okay kadandi? Are you comfortable 8 to 9?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Andy. So tomorrow onwards, we can start our class at 8 o'clock, 8 to 9 evening. This is fixed. Okay, Nandi?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, done. Chalo. So in this step, you can create companies. Company is an organizational unit. In accounting, it represents business organization according to the requirements of commercial law. So, right, you read this whenever you are free. I will tell you how to install the software and all today. Just define company is over, ma. Define credit control area. Next, I am going with credit control area. You want to see the documentation, just you click here. In this step, you can create credit control areas. The credit control area is an organizational unit that specifies and checks the credit limit for the customers. See, for company, there will be the customer will be there. Some customers are very old customers will be there. They will ask some credit. Suppose they are purchasing material from us, some 10 lakhs material they are purchasing. They will say, we'll pay 5 lakhs now, remaining 5 lakhs will pay after 1 month. We can say yes. Why? Because they are the customers. We need to agree and we take whatever the precautions. So that is the credit control area. Just click on this. You can see here. Credit control area. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. See, for our convenient, actually in company in real time, these are all will be different names. Company will provide you what name you have to give. But for our convenient, what I am doing, whatever the company code name given, same number I am taking. 9393 I am taking for our convenient. Currency INR, Indian rupee. This is for sales and distribution people will do here. SD people will do here updation. Only we have to do here credit limit. What is the credit limit we are taking? Credit limit I am giving 10 lakhs here. See this. One more zero, 10 lakhs. Credit limit I am giving for customers 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs, I can give you the credit limit here. Save this. Private Limited. Here you can write credit limit, credit control. 9393. Our company name is Cheyappa. Can do. Understand? Two things we created today. One is company created, one is credit control area is created. Anybody having any doubt? Adilakshmi garu, any doubt, Andy? Satish
No,
garu,
sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. Next, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Actually, we defined the company, but we didn't give complete information about the company. Now we are going to edit, copy, delete, check company code. Copy, delete, check company code. Click on this. Here, go back. Edit, copy data. Click here. New entries. What is the company code? 9393.
9393.
Company name is what, Andy? Nestle.
That's it.
Nestle.
Private Limited.
Private Limited. City Bangalore. Bangalore, country India IN. Currency INR.
Language
English EN. Language is English. Save this. Save this. See, complete information it is asking again. Company Nestle Private Limited.
Telangana.
country IN, whatever requirements I am giving, and actually in real time, we had to fill everything here. One second. You can continue. I can't. Yeah, understood, sir. You don't worry. No. I told them. They will listen your class from. You don't worry. I will take care, sir. You keep it with you. You keep it with you, sir. I will tell you. We'll make one timetable which is convenient. So here Nestle, try to understand. And remaining all actually we had to give only present, we are not giving. Just we are saving this. Here we are saving this. So, I will talk to them. Within half an hour, I will talk. Yeah. So we had given complete details about the company. Once again, you can see here 9393. This is the company. We had given the details, company details also we had given. Hope everybody is understanding and we are going forward. Any doubt is there, definitely I will help you. You can ask me one question here, sir, why this first option given? Why this first option given is, you can copy the other company. Suppose I am clicking here, you try to understand why this option also I will tell you. You click here, there is one option here, copy. See, you click on copy. You click on copy. Suppose there is other company with the same name. You want to import all the company data to our company. Just you click copy button and you will get the information from other company to this company. You got my point? Satish Garu?
Yes, sir.
Adilakshmi Garu?
Yes, sir.
You can copy this అండి. ఈ ఆప్షన్ తో మీరు కాపీ చేయొచ్చు.
Okay.
Just it is rotating. Please wait for 2 minutes. Please wait. So here we have spoken English 4 months training, 2 months training, week 1, 2 months of 2. This is basic level, this is intermediate. If you take 2 months training, you will become thorough in spoken and grammar and everything. So that you can speak properly in your company or outside wherever you want. So I can make you thorough in these 2 levels. And this is 1 month course, and this is basic level. Basic level. This is 1 month course. Fees we are charging 4,000 rupees. And second level is intermediate. This is also 1 month. This we are charging only 3,000. This is intermediate. And we have timings from 4:30 to 7:30. What is your convenient time? Advanced level, once these 2 complete, then you can go to advanced. Advanced means very high level. And then tenses something. Suppose we are ready to thorough now, then we go to advanced. And then we will choose to not think big questions to develop the basic and the ABC and also communication skills in అంటే ఎలా మాట్లాడాలి గ్రామర్ లో కూడా హైయర్ లెవెల్ గ్రామర్ తీసుకొని చెప్తారు ఆపన్ని ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లెవెల్ కొంచెం టెన్సెస్ వస్తాయి బేసిక్ లెవెల్ నేను పని చేస్తాను ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లెవెల్ అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్ ఇస్తాను 1 month ఇది 1 month ఇది 1 month ఫీస్ ఏం ఉంటుంది 7,000 ఉంటుంది ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లెవెల్ అడ్వాన్స్ లెవెల్ ఇస్తాను ఇది టచ్ చేయకుండా చూద్దాం that's better. Not to 7 to 8 card. 7 to 8. You will take it. Okay, so we join all the 7,000. 6,8. 6,8 and the best packet is Ramkumari, Chalava, Friend. And let's compare it to Japan. Then we say, you never say complete comprehension of mind. What is it? Fluency, comprehension, the reading, writing, listening, speaking, and then I need to say that. Java. So, Java is 20,000. For Java, advanced Java, 20,000, 3 months course. Faculty, we have 3 years experience. Online. Morning to evening, just one. Online and anytime. Offline and evening. From 5:30 to 7:30 class. 7 for some. 7 to 8 is Power BI, testing tools. Python is Python Anytime you can come. Evening time also then you can take that admission. It's not. Thanks, sir. I'll be light spans off check. చూడండి ఇక్కడ here still it is running and so maybe software is busy. That's okay. 17% it is showing. స్ట్రక్ అయిందండి ఇది మీటింగ్ కూడా ఎండ్ అవుతోంది సో యూ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ హియర్ మళ్ళీ రీజాయిన్ అవ్వండి ఒకసారి అందరూ ప్లీజ్ రీజాయిన్